Hello, welcome to the another Photoshop tutorials. These tutorials I show how to remove the pimples or blemishes in Photoshop. Just like this is the before and the after. First we need to select an adjustment layer, black and white adjustment layer, and drag into the black color. Second, we need to add a curve layer. And drag it down. Next we need a blank layer, and the healing brush tool. Press Alt and select the subject. It is done. The two adjustment layer need to be deleted. Wow, this is very cool tools in Photoshop. Thanks for the watching.